Have you ever wondered how certain businesses survive in the most critical environments and competition? Business survive because managers take good decisions. You need to understand the market forces that impact your business. This holds true for managers in large multinationals and small businesses. People decide what to learn, where to work, how much to save, where to invest, and what to buy. Most modern societies depend on markets to organize economic activity. They are market-driven economies. Number of decisions that you make as individuals or as managers relate to the markets. It is important for you to know how markets work and how to take good decisions as a manager. This is what you will learn in the Managerial Economics course. This course will basically provide you a strategic planning tool that can be used to get a clear perspective of the way the business world works. This tool will also help you to maintain profitability in an ever-changing environment. This course is primarily concerned with the application of economic principles and theories of 5 types of resource decisions made by all types of business organizations. The selection of product or service to be produced, the choice of production methods and resource combinations, the determination of the best price and quantity combination, promotional strategy and activities, the selection of the location from which to produce and sell goods or services to the consumer. With our flipped classroom methodology, you will have self-study material that will prepare you for the live interactive class, where you will discuss the implementation of the concept and you will be a contributor from day one to your organization. Business managers need to have deep understanding of economics to be exceptional strategic leader, and that is why this course has been included in the Pro MBA program. Look forward to seeing you in the class.